Jeff Rowe from Two Hacks Garage, Mad Dog Kenny. Well, this isn't a drag strip. This isn't a shop. We're doing something new. We all grew up, me, Kyle, and Kenny, riding dirt bikes, motorcycles, all that fun jazz. And back hidden in these woods, Kenny found an old Honda motorcycle. So this is going to be one of those series where, can we get it to run? We have no idea. We don't even know what the motorcycle is. We know it's an old Honda. We're going to have to fight our way back through here, get this motorcycle dug out, see what we're working with, and go from there. No, we're not trespassing on any property. There's this whole huge land, and Kenny works for the guy that owns all this land, and Kenny was out mowing.
Really good guy.
Yeah, really good guy. We grew up with his family, and Kenny found this motorcycle and said, hey, there's a cool project, and I agree with him. Old motorcycles are neat. So this is going to be the beginning of the Mad Dog motorcycle extravaganza. Hopefully we don't get stung or bit by snakes.
Could happen.
It could happen. This could be dangerous. This could be the end of Two Hacks Garage.
Guy in Illinois. The snakes aren't too bad. The bugs can be.
The bugs can be. Might run into Bigfoot. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we got a mini chainsaw, pull saw. We're going to work our way back in there so we can unveil the Mad Dog motorcycle and go from there. With that, I'm rambling. Kenny's ready to do some sawing. I'm kind of excited to see what this bike is. We'll see you in a few. All right, well, we got the Hondamatic back. So we didn't really know what it was when we first went hunting for this thing. But it's a 76, 77, or 78. I'm going to go 76. We're going to do some digging on this. Honda 750, CB750A. It's actually got an automatic transmission. If you look right there, there's like a torque converter that's in there. It is 4-cylinder. It does have obviously four carburetors with it. You know, overall, it's actually a really cool bike. I dig the exhaust, 4-into-1. This is the rough side, but the bike is complete, and it's not too shabby at all. Not too often you find a bike like this just sitting in the woods. We found out it had been sitting for about 25 years. But yeah, if you look there, there's your neutral, low, and drive. Wheels are stuck and all that, but you know what? Kenny and I are going to do something with this. Leave a comment what you think we should do with it. I'm going to hand the mic to Kenny. Kenny, what are your thoughts, bud?
Well, as long as the engine isn't locked up, we're going to try to at least get on the road. I want to leave it pretty much as is. It's a cool bike, like Jeff said. I've never driven a bike that's an automatic, so that'll be interesting.
Yeah, I've never seen that either. But you know what, guys? If we can get this thing up and going with very little, it's going to be definitely cool. Speaking of motorcycles, Kenny's got a really nice motorcycle there. And he's got an old Sportster back there. And he's got his third bike here. With that, I tell you what, we're going to call this one Project Rambo. Because Rambo's tough. This one's going to get a fighting chance. See you guys later.